Dastan Sohni Mehar. The folk story of Sohni Mehar, composed by Shah Latif, is an old Sindhi folk narration. Sohni belonged to Sanchya clan and was daughter of Jarkat Samtyo, while Mehar belonged to Nangamro clan of Sindh and was son of Gahwar Dam. Mehar's original name was Sahar. This folk narration probably belongs to the period of Dilu Roy. Dilu Roy was probably a small ruler. During the last days of Arab rule or start of Sumra dynasty in Sindh, it was 5th or 6th Hijra century and 12th century AD. This narration is connected with one of the outlets of Indus River named Lohano Dhoro, which then turned to flow west of Shahdadpur city. During Arab period, this river used to flow on east side of Shahdadpur city. Sohni was married to Dam by caste Vahucho. During the rituals of marriage of Sohni and Dam, the parents forgot to offer them milk as a tradition. And when a married party was returning and delayed to cross the river, while staying on a river bank, few old ladies felt unpleasant not to offer the milk to the married couple and asked to perform the same ritual, and nearby was Mehar's cattle farm, who offered them milk, which was drunk by Sohni. As soon as she drank the milk, she got disturbed and was attracted to Mehar. And she used to visit Mehar daily while crossing the river.
मेहर मिला शाल मां दरिया जे किनारे मेहर तो पुकारे साजन सां अचां गॾिजी खड़ी कन त गुज़ारे दरिया जे किनारे मेहर सां मिला शाल मां दरिया जे किनारे मेहर तो पुकारे.
But she soon was exposed to her parents, who forbade her to meet Mehar, but all in vain.
रहो बगितों कल जो यदियूं पार वञा थी बेरो न भञा थी मैं हुन जो वठी धण जिते मेहार तो चारे दरिया जे किनारे मैं हुन जो वठी धण जिते.
This practice continued, and her mother-in-law one night replaced the baked earthen pot by unbaked one. She did not check the pot as usual and started swimming in the river. When she reached the deep waters, the unbaked pot was destroyed and she was drowned.
साहड़ सायर सीर में हो मदद थी मेहार साहड़ सायर सीर में ओ मदद थी बिहार
हिक दिखोई तार वहे ॿियो लुड़ लहरियूं आई वाव साणी जिन अलाव
While she was crying, Mehar heard her and called the fishermen to save her. But it was too late, and finally, the dead body of Sohni was recovered. Mehar himself buried her and got constructed a tomb over her grave, which is still visited by the people. Later on, few years, Mehar also expired and was buried in Shahadadpur city.
पुछे